let's talk about lesson number 16 and we will discuss about the classical dance forms which are found in our country, India. As we know that India is a land of different cultures. We find so many languages, so many dance forms, so many religions, so many communities in our country, and all these they show unity in diversity. Means though we are different in our habits, though we are different in our cultures, but still we stand united. So we call it unity in diversity. India has a rich culture of traditional dances which has its origin in ancient times. And since ancient times, we have this varied culture that is composed of different types of communities, dance, or religious practices. So, the classical dance forms of India possess a spiritual as well as divine content. Divine. So, you must have observed that we are connected to God and we have different dance forms even connected to God also. So, when we talk about Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, then we have an image that comes to our mind is that of Mohini dance, that he danced as Mohini. When we talk about Lord Shiva, then we say Rudra, then Rodra, Roop of Lord Shiva. So we have different dance forms and they have divine content also. So let us talk about different classical dance forms. Firstly, let's have some information. The Sangeet Natak Akademi recognizes 8 dance forms as Indian classical dance or Shastriya Nritya. So 8 dances they are recognized as the classical dances of Shastriya Nritya. Natya Shastra is the foundational reference for classical dances of India. And classical dances use abhinay or acting, we can say, as a means of depiction. Means they want to say, they want to depict something, they want to explain something, then they do it in the form of acting, which we call as abhinay. Several musical instruments are used as accompaniments of classical dances. Means different instruments, musical instruments are used in different dance forms. So let us try to recognize the different dance forms. An ancient dance form of Uttar Pradesh, it is one of the most famous classical dance forms of India. This dance is derived from storytelling in which people narrate stories during the whole performance. Means people they narrate stories, they depict something, they explain some story using this acting while dancing, and that is Kathak. It belongs to UP. So the answer is Kathak dance. Next, this dance form originated in Kerala as early as 17th century. Means it originated in the South India and Kerala in 17th century, and the dancers they wear attractive costumes and makeup. Means attractive, they look so beautiful. So they always wear attractive costumes and makeup, and their expressions and movements and playback music add beauty to it, that they look so beautiful and their costumes are also so beautiful. They have good very nice makeup done over their body and their costumes are beautiful, and the playback music it adds to the beauty of the dance, and that dance is known as Kathakali. You can see the dress, it is so attractive. Next one, it is the oldest form of dance and is considered to have given rise to other classical dance forms. Means it is considered the oldest form of dance, and different other dance forms they have originated from this dance form. It is performed with a combination of rhythmic music beat and expressions, and it is originated in Tamil Nadu from the ancient Devdasi culture. So we can say that it is the oldest form of dance, and various other dance forms they have been, we can say it has given rise to them. They have been born out of this dance form. So this is always performed with a combination of rhythmic music and beat and expressions, and means a good rhythmic rhyming words like this rhythmic music, a good music is always accompanying this dance form. And it originated in also in the South India, we can say in Tamil Nadu state. And from ancient Devdasi culture, it is believed that from that culture it has originated, and this is known as Bharat Natyam. We can see different types of expression. A person, he or she, whosoever performs this dance, he gives different types of eye movements, and we call it Bharat Natyam. This is known as Bharat Natyam. The costume is also beautiful in this dance.